welcome back to Mimi Home Style. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I wanted to share a simple way to bring some extra love and fun to your little ones, family, or your friends. Check out these adorable Valentine's lunchbox notes, games, and my personal favorite, a Valentine's Day kindness wall that I'm going to show you in a minute. The kindness wall is perfect for spreading smiles and making kids, family, friends, classroom students, or even people in assisted living feel special. You could even brighten someone's day at work using this wall or your notes. We all need a little extra love and kindness right now. For the lunchbox notes, you can use them during lunch, breakfast, or any time of day. And for all the Mimis out there like me, you can bring them in your tote to use during carpool or babysitting. The possibilities are endless. Let's take a closer look now at how you can use these to make someone's day extra special. I'm kicking things off by assembling these adorable pillow favor treat boxes from the Lunchbox Notes and Games Kit by Grin and Print on Etsy. That's my shop. And this kit is so versatile. It comes with 2 sizes, 1 large box and 2 mini boxes. They fit perfectly inside a lunch bag, adding such a fun surprise to anyone's day. To get started, just cut the boxes out and fold along the lines and use double-sided tape or glue to assemble them. The design even makes it easy to create that charming pillow shape. You just push in the sides and you're good to go. And then what you'll do is you'll fill them with age-appropriate trinkets, cute stickers, or even some candy for a sweet treat. Now, the Lunchbox Note Kit is where the real magic happens. It includes 16 little notes with the cutest sayings and retro-style illustrations. And seriously, the whole kit has this fun, nostalgic vibe that I can't get enough of. But that's not all. It also comes with activity cards like think tic-tac-toe, a maze, coloring, and even a word search. And once you print everything on cardstock at home, simply cut out the cards with scissors, slip a note or activity into a lunchbox each day, and you'll create a little burst of joy. And don't forget to add a few mini crayons or colored pencils for the activities. Oh, and maybe a candy kiss or heart works great for the games like the tic-tac-toe game. And it's such a simple way to make someone's day brighter. From lunchboxes to unexpected surprises throughout the day, these notes and cards are such a fun way to add a personal touch. You can tuck one into a lunchbox or place it next to breakfast or even hide it under a napkin for a sweet surprise. The larger cards are perfect for keeping kids busy with a quick activity, whether it's while they eat or while you're getting dinner ready. And the best part, you decide where the cards go and which ones to use each day. And it's not just for kids. These work wonderfully for couples too. Imagine sipping your morning coffee and finding a little love note or activity card waiting for you. Pair it with the pillow treat boxes and you can fill them with a small surprise or even a thoughtful coupon. For my Mimi friends, grandkids will absolutely love this. If you're driving them to school, hand them a card or treat box in the car. It's a quick way to start their day with a smile. Stuck in the carpool line, the games are a great way to pass the time. If you're watching the kids at home or after school, these activity cards make bonding time even more fun. They're a simple yet meaningful way to celebrate these special moments together. You can also get creative with the pillow favor boxes and add a coupon for activities like baking Valentine's Day cookies or going on a fun scavenger hunt. Make it extra special by putting everything into a Mimi bag or tote that you can take on the go. And let's not forget how these brighten up lunchtime. In this lunchbox, I added some retro water bottle labels, which double as sandwich wraps, candy in the favor box, a cute napkin, crayons, and snacks for the day. And what a thoughtful way to make someone feel loved. Who wouldn't enjoy finding a sweet note or treat each day to keep them going? You're making such an impact, whether it's in the life of your grandchild, your child, or anyone in your family. Now, let's take a quick look at this entire kit. I'll have the link below if you're interested. And if you'd rather DIY, you can totally create your own version with sticky notes, favor bags from the Dollar Tree, and a little creativity. The possibilities are endless for doing this. Now, let's talk about this sweet kindness wall. It's a fun and meaningful way to encourage acts of kindness and thoughtful words. You can hang it on your fridge, a bulletin board, or even a decorated piece of cardboard for Valentine's Day. And here's how it works. Each participant gets a mini envelope with their name on it, and the set includes 50 prompt cards with heart stickers, and it includes blank cards for your own words. It also includes a coupon card if you want to add a coupon, and it uses a cute container from the Dollar Tree, and you can keep the prompt cards handy with a pen or pencil inside the cute container. Each day, participants will draw a prompt card and write a kind word or add to the coupon for their secret buddy. Or you can use the chart that's included to keep track of whose name has been used, and people can just decide who they're going to put their card in. It's a simple but powerful way to create special moments of connection and love. And no matter how you use these ideas, my notes in the lunchboxes or the games at the table or a kindness wall in your home or office or homeschool or wherever, they're easy to put together and they're sure to bring smiles and sweet memories this Valentine's Day. So that's it. A couple of simple and fun ideas for Valentine's Day that are sure to bring smiles. If you'd like to use these kits, I've included the links below where you can grab your own. They're available in my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy and are currently on sale through the holidays. Just download and print them at home on cardstock. It only takes a few minutes to assemble and cut everything out. And thanks for joining me here on Mimi Homestyle once again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next time. I've got more Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day ideas coming your way, so you can get started now. Hey friends, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found some fun and budget-friendly ideas to bring into your home. A special shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. I post weekly with more home decor, party planning, and DIY goodness. Also, check out my shop at Grin and Print on Etsy. I've got some fun games, printables, and party supplies that I know you'll love. Thanks again for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video.